Convert web pages to TIFF with TIFF Image Printer 12. Begin by opening your web page in Internet Explorer or any other web browser. Select Settings, Print. Select the TIFF Image Printer as your printer. Click Print to send the file to the TIFF Image Printer. You can then set the name and save location of your new TIFF image. TIFF Image Printer uses profiles, which are a group of settings used to create the output image you want. You can select the profile you want applied to your output TIFF image from the Save As type. TIFF Image Printer comes with a few default profiles, including Color Optimized TIFF, Fax TIFF, and Monochrome TIFF. For basic TIFF conversion, we recommend using the Color Optimized TIFF profile. Click Save to create your TIFF image. From the TIFF Image Printer dashboard, you can change the default profile used when printing through Printer Management, or create your own profiles with the Profile Manager. You will need to create your own profile if you are looking to create serialized TIFF images, where each page becomes its own TIFF file instead of multi-paged TIFF images, merge multiple files into a single TIFF image, or turn off prompting for a file name and save location each time you print. Try out our TIFF Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.